Center amasung state leingak na illegal immigrants ke Wathok ase tung koina chatnagadaba maongda Loisinge Hairabadi Manipur da NRC Chatnahangadabani haina All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam na takshilakli ngasi numitung ba matung pung amarom tarakpa adwaida Ansam ke president angtasang maring na luchingba mihut kangbu ama Manipur ki governor Ajay Kumar Balaga unaduna memorandum ama pishin ki Raj Bhavan da changduna governor da memorandum pishin ki baduga mari lengna Manipur Press Club ke Tangjing Hall da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada Ansam ge president angtasang maring na hai free movement regime chatnahangadaba adu makhatana chatnahanaba amadi Indo-Myanmar border da Naga singna khundaba mafamda border fencing gi thabak tawbidana bagi matangda governor unaduna memorandum pishin kibane Ansam gi demand ase kanagumba furup amatagi mayokta tawbanate masidi yellow furup ama oiriba Naga singi right adu tanbane kumjai English singani kunhumdoi gi me tang ahumdagi horakhiba irang adugi matung tarapada center na illegal immigrant ki wafamda akanba meeting changba horakpane matang asida hainingbade FMR Chatnahangadaba amasung border fencing tawbana illegal immigrant ki Wathok ase loishinba ngamloi karigumba center amasung state lengang na illegal immigrant ki Wathok ase lumna lawrabade Manipur da NRC Chatnahangadabani thaurang asina Manipur ki refugees sing khandokpada achouba mating oigane masida mahakna paliba refugees sing ase Taramapan suba chahijagi matamda logi wangbada Manipur da changlakhiba miyoi amade furup adubune karigumba Naga singna khundaba Indo-Myanmar gi mafamda border fencing tawraklabadi Naga miyam tumina leithokloi makhal makha kayagi khongjang changsingane aikoina lawrakadoriba khongthang ase lengaki mayokta nate lengaki policy adu yaningde haibane amaromda hojek tokliba irang asigi warushen purakpada Manipur da khundariba Naga miyam gi interest sokhan bi yaroi hainasu angthesang maringna makhatana
Our main concern here is border fencing construction is not a solution to control this illegal immigrant, influx of the illegal immigrant in our area, in the state of Manipur, in India. If the government of India, government of Manipur is sincere enough to tackle this illegal immigrants issue, they could have adopted various acts like NRC. As we have all noted, the refugees, by mentioning refugees, I mean to each and every people, to every community who came in the state of, in our state illegally, I mean to them, I mean to mention to them. They were here in our land since 90s. Now, with this ongoing violence, after May 3rd, the government of India has decided to control the illegal immigrants with the adoption of the border fencing.